Scene 1. The intro scene.
Hey, what's that?
A delicious meal of dufflins fresh from Bessy, the legless cow.
Bessy? The legendary cow of Memmifield High.
She's a bit of a diva, though. I've got to convince her to get in the oven.
How do you plan on doing that?
I've tried everything. I've sang to her, I've danced for her. I've even tried bribing her with extra dufflins. But she just won't budge.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see if our sweet Bessy cooperates.
Oh, what's that noise?
Chalmers, Skinner, are you all right? What's going on? It's nothing, Chalmers. Just some construction work. Oh, it seems Bessy is here. I'll better go talk to her. Looks like she's ringing the bell to get in. I guess she's finally ready for the oven.
Well, that's a relief.
Let's just hope Bessy doesn't decide to take a detour through the kitchen.
You're right, Chalmers. I'll make sure to keep an eye on her. Sound alert. Looks like there's still some excitement to be had before our delicious dufflin meal. Looks like there's still some excitement to be had before our delicious dufflin meal.
Scene 2. The burned food scene kitchen.
Oh, God damn it! My dufflins are burnt. How could this happen?
Nothing to me.
Bessy, what do you want now? I can't even make a simple meal without you interfering.
Fine, I'll get it.
Bessy, why are you here? I can't cook your dufflins. I've told you 1,000 times. You can't go in the oven.
Move.
All right, fine. Let's see if I can come up with something. Maybe if I lift you up with a pulley system? That would never work. That's just asking for disaster. I'll have to think of something. But for now, I'll just have to settle for serving you raw dufflin. I never should have agreed to cook for you, Bessy. I might as well just give up and join the ranks of the unemployed. This is a disaster.
Audience gasp. Scene 3. The window scene.
Skinner, Java pepper. That could be a lifesaver. I mean, it's not the same, but it'll do. Bessy's dufflins, you're off the hook for today. But don't get too comfortable. I'll just have to sweet-talk Bessy into the oven. I've tried everything, but this time it's gonna be different. I've got a plan. It's a little unconventional, but it just might work. Bessy's here. This is my chance to put my plan into action. All right, Bessy, let's get you in that oven. But first, I'll have to convince you. I've prepared a little song for you. It's called The Oven Went Boom Boom. Here we go.
Skinner starts singing a terrible song about the oven.
Skinner, 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 I've lost all hope. Looks like...
Scene 4. The getting caught scene kitchen.
Skinner, what's going on here? The kitchen reeks of smoke.
That is... Oh, Chalmers.
Stink. This definitely looks like smoke.
Well, the steaming process can get a little smoky sometimes.
Skinner, I've known you for years and I've never seen you make steamed dufflins before.
Well, I've always wanted to try something new.
I see.
It's good to keep things interesting, I suppose.
Bessy, what do you make of this steaming process?
Then, Bessy, we can't have this conversation right now. I'm trying to convince you to get in the oven.
You're cooking for a cow.
Well, the dufflins I made earlier were a disaster. I thought maybe Bessy would be a good alternative.
So she.
Well, I'll just leave you to it.
Say this is anyway.
Looks like Skinner's cooking adventures are far from over.
Scene 5. The wrong meal scene dining room.
Skinner, is this Java pepper?
No, it's not. It's just a regional dialect for dufflins. You see, in the lovely country of Giovannia, they call it Java pepper.
Giovannia. I've never heard of it.
So, it's a hidden gem. The people there have the most delightful dufflins, or should I say Java pepper. Bessy, my dear, I've got a new plan to get you in the oven. I've tried everything, but this time it's going to be different. I've got a large wheelbarrow, a set of ramps, and even a pulley system.
Skinner, are you sure that's gonna work?
Absolutely. Just wait and see. It's going to be a sight to behold. Let the roasting begin.
Audience gasp. Scene 6. The fire scene kitchen.
Skinner, there's fire in the kitchen.
No.
A gorgon. In the kitchen?
Yes, it's a rare occurrence, but they're harmless.
A gorgon? How could a gorgon be in the kitchen?
Well, it must have wandered in somehow. I can't let you see it. It might get upset.
Upset? A gorgon? Skinner, that doesn't make any sense. Looks like Skinner's got a lot of explaining to do.
Bessy, my dear, I've got a new plan to get you in the oven. I've tried everything, but this time it's going to be different. I've got a large wheelbarrow, a set of ramps, and even a pulley system.
No.
Bessy, I've been pining for you. I'll do anything to make you happy. Will you please get in the oven for me? I knew it was too good to be true. I might as well just give up and join the ranks of the unemployed. Looks like Skinner's cooking adventures are far from over.
Scene 7. The farewell scene.
Skinner, those dufflins were delicious.
Oh, thank you, Chalmers. I'm glad you enjoyed them.
But the house is still on fire.
No, that's just a gorgon taking a nap.
A gorgon in the kitchen?
Yes, it's a rare occurrence, but they're harmless. Bessy, my dear, I've got a new plan to get you in the oven. I've tried everything, but this time it's going to be different. I've got a large wheelbarrow, a set of ramps, and even a pulley system. Bessy, my love, I've been pining for you. I'll do anything to make you happy.
Oh, will you please take the oven for me?
I knew it was too good to be true. I might as well just give up and join the ranks of the unemployed. Looks like Skinner's cooking adventures are far from over.
Scare, you're fired?
Fired? But I was just trying to make a delicious meal for everyone.
You burned down the house, and now you're trying to cook a cow.
I suppose I can't blame you. I'll just have to find another job.
Well, Skinner, you certainly have a way of making things interesting.
We'll miss you, Skinner.
Yeah. It's been a pleasure working with you all. Goodbye, my friend. And remember, in this town, you can always find a fresh start.
seem you are.
Scene 8. The poem scene.
Skinner, I have a poem for you. It's about the journey we've all been on together.
Did a poem. I'd love to hear it.
Life's a winding road with twists and turns.
A journey through the night with many learning gurns. We've made our way through fire and faced our fears. And though it